Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Bitcoin, inverted daily Bitcoin chart. This is upside down. This is very bullish. You just had perfect bullish retest. Now, obviously, we're going the other direction. We'll flip it the other direction, right side up. And you see you had a perfect bearish retest, and downside is quite possible. If the bulls can't come in and flip and regain this level at about 16,850, you're going to see downside continuation. Okay. You already came back. Look, you came back down here. You double bottomed, and then you retested this previous support as resistance, and you got rejected, and then you lost this support level as well. Not looking good for the bulls. We've got to find out on the shorter term time frames if we're going to get a little bit of a relief rally for these altcoins. I'm telling you, if Bitcoin dominance trends higher, you don't want to be holding altcoins. They will continue to get devastated. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart on Kucoin. You can see that you had your rising channel, 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. Listen, guys, this has to be part of your strategy. The win rate of rising channels, rising wedges, and falling wedges, falling channels, 68%. It's super high unless Bitcoin does some crazy, especially on altcoins, obviously. Unless Bitcoin does some crazy dump, some crazy thing happens. Like, that's one of my biggest strategies is to, I'm on altcoins and I'm looking for rising wedges, falling wedges, and I'm telling you, I'm killing it on these ideas. Bull traps. Anytime you see the bulls get trapped, you know they get punished. And they did, right? Okay, so what if you missed your short? So what if you opened a long because you're a breakout trader? Then you get down here, you're inside the pattern, you have swing failure pattern, the pattern failed, the breakout failed. Open up your short here and clean up. You're constantly finding ways to offset your losses. It's not, let me just get kicked in the teeth and stand there. It's let me pick up my teeth and put them back in and recover quickly. I'm telling you guys, you short these coins, you'll be getting veneers real quick. This is Bitcoin CME Futures 2-hour chart, and not amazing. So you saw this support level, well, previous resistance, support. This level was very key. Okay, you lost it. You lost it. Now, you've got a falling wedge right here, okay? This thing comes back up, breaks to the upside, and gets rejected. You're looking for more downside. You could hit 15,480 or 14,920. Not amazing. But there's some bounce ideas coming down here in the mid-range. So Bitcoin CME Futures, where the stock traders trade, not amazing. I've got some amazing shout outs in my trading group. We've been killing it because we trade both ways. This person, he joined actually a few years ago. He made his first $50,000 while trading on my calls. He invested $30,000 of that money into an ICO, and he made $8 million. And so, due to market conditions, obviously we're way closer to the bottom than the top, and there's a ton of money to be made. He wants to use my calls again, and he joined the group back. Banging. This person, I started following on your advice. I was tired of losing money, and I'm up 40%, killing it. This person, I'm sitting on the sidelines right now. You and the team helped me make life-changing money, and I've cashed out. And this person, after a midterm hold and previous gem picks, he turned $1,400 into $80,000. And this took a course of 3 months. And he is an admin in my group. I've got some of the top admins, super active, willing to help you in the group, posting the banger setup, gem pick bangers. Had so many people rejoining the group, coming back
to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto and an additional $100 off to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com.
We're constantly nailing banger after banger after banger. If you're in crypto right now to make money, why are you not in the trading group? I will show you how to make money in this market. Now, Ethereum at one point looked stronger than Bitcoin, but we nailed this rising wedge, 68% chance that it broke to the downside. Now, see this support? See this support? Right now, your support. So you really want to double bottom out of here and at least get some type of move to the upside. If it rolls over, again, you're coming down range low. $1,000 Ethereum could be in the cards if this thing rolls over, but you might bounce first. The total altcoin market cap, serious conversation. Altcoins lose all their attraction. Everything attractive about an altcoin just disappears when the market just goes south. And so now you've got this support level, make or break altcoin dump level. There it is. So there's some bullish ideas. There's some bullish divergence that says, hey, this can bounce. And then does this turn into a big double bottom and you get some move higher? What you don't want to see is lose this level. If you lose this level, bearish retest, altcoins get wrecked with a capital wrecked. This is, we nailed this S&P E-mini futures, ES1. Last thing you want to see is a bull trap. Well, guess what? You got the bull trap. This is from a video I made earlier. You didn't get the bullish retest. So in group, I posted like the downside continuation is real and the measured move, again, you could get a considerable measured move. It would take, I mean, what is the reason why this arrow is drawn right here is what's it going to take for the, because this is the stock market, S&P 500. What's it going to take for the stock market to suddenly change and turn around and break out to the upside? Listen, the bears are in control. You just had a breakdown of this key level and you lost on the 12-hour and you lost the 200 simple moving average. When that happens, bad. So again, you just keep breaking level by level and there's some downside ahead. Obviously, you're going to get bounces on the way, just like on the way up. We had plenty of bounces and this will form some type of falling wedge. But the problem is this high was a lower high than, say, this high. And so what happens is you put in a lower, here's your high, and then your low, lower high, and then the next low being a lower low would be terrible for Bitcoin. This was an idea where we said the XY, the dollar, is going to kind of call this. If it bounces, you're going to see stocks and crypto get hit. Right now, this support is holding. So unless this support breaks, you're not going to see very good price moves out of altcoins, crypto, stock market, period. Bitcoin dominance. So we drew this rising channel yesterday. Rising channel. You need this thing to double top and break to the downside. And you at least get, so you on a Bitcoin bounce, and this breaking lower, you at least get some altcoin relief. Short-term altcoin relief. Like, we're not talking the macro changes. It's, hey, we can get some trades in, banging. And that's the thing. Like, these are times where you can make so much money just on these little trades, 44%, 24%, 20%, 13, 27. You can make the money right now. You've got to have it. You've got to have it for the next bull market. Now, here was BNB. We nailed BNB. Right? We nailed the break to the downside. On a 3x short, we saw 45% gains. But what I marked here was, this is RSI. Guys, trading is not hard, okay? You can make it hard and you can make it very complex, Okay. I mean, it's not easy either, but let me just show you something that works very well. So come down here. And so this is the RSI. And when the RSI is overbought, see this circle? Overbought. It means the buying happened and you ran up here above 70. Overbought. Overbought with a head and shoulders. Overbought again. You're going to get pullbacks 90% of the time. And so let's just test this. If you would have, again, you open at oversold, which I'm in here, and then you ride the price action higher, and you would have sold here, not the absolute top. Big deal. You still made this entire range. Okay, here's the next sell signal right here. Well, yeah, and then here you go, dump. Here's the next sell signal. This is based on the RSI. Here you go, dump. Here's the next sell signal right here. Here you go, dump. This is not that hard. You just learn a couple of these ideas, even just 3. I quit working based on RSI, oversold bounces, selling the overbought levels. At this point, previously, when I first started, I obviously wasn't even shorting the market. Now we're trading both ways, but like, it's so much easier than most people think. You just have to understand how Tradingview works, how a few indicators works. Listen, if you can read a map, you can trade crypto. I don't care who you are, period. Binance US agrees to acquire assets of bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital. So hopefully this helps some people out. I know some people took some losses. Definitely hate to see. It makes me sick, the stuff that's happened in this market. Like, it makes me depressed because I know a lot of you guys got hit by this craziness. Celsius, BlockFi, 3AC, Luna, FTX. Like, it's just been chaos. But is the chaos over? Is max pain over? When max pain is over and everybody taps out and all the sellers are gone, then we move higher, right? And just to kind of go back here, an idea where this is a falling wedge, right? So you normally get, let's say on your 5th and 6th touch, somewhere down here, okay? So if this were to continue basically working in this range, if you're looking for a breakout, it's doesn't mean it's happening immediately, right? There could be a lot of sideways action. Now you get some crazy, amazing news out of stocks, you get some type of double bottom, and yeah, there could be some upside, but just reality is you better be short in this market or be ready for what's in store. And yeah, you're going to get all kinds of little bounces where you can make tons of money, because the altcoins, when they get wrecked, they bounce hard, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.